Namaste and welcome to our channel. If you are in a die casting industry and considering an investment in a high pressure die casting machine, so this video will be useful for you. And today we'll provide an in-depth overview of the LH 800 ton cold chamber die casting machine, which is from a Bamboo Longhua die casting machine company limited. This is a Chinese die casting machine manufacturer. Okay. So this detailed guide is especially useful for Indian viewers who are looking for an efficient and reliable die casting solution. So let's start with this. So first, let's introduce the LH 800 ton cold chamber die casting machine, priced at 1 lakh 5,600 USD per set, and this machine offers a great balance between cost and functionality. So let's start with the detailed specification. The LH 800 ton boasts an impressive clamping force of 8,000 kilonewton, which translate to roughly 800 tons. This is critical for holding the die securely during the injection process. This machine has a clamping force of 8,000 kilonewton, 800 ton, opening force around 760 millimeter, and die thickness you can load on this machine about 400 to 950 and space between the tie bar is 910 to 910 millimeter. Ejector stroke you will get with this machine 180 ejector force 315 kilonewton, which is a good parameter for 800 ton kind of machine. So this opening stroke is 760 accommodating the range of die thickness, and from 400 to 950 millimeter. The spacious design with the 910 millimeter between tie bar ensure you can work with a variety of die sizes. So additionally, the ejector stroke is 180 with an ejector force of 315 kilonewton, making it versatile for different casting requirements. Okay, so now let's talk about the injection system of the LH 800 ton. So the feature an injection force of 680 kilonewton and an injection stroke of 760 This machine supports plunger diameter of 80, 90 and 100 millimeter, allowing a flexibility depending on the casting need. Injection force 680 kilonewton and injection stroke 760 Plunger diameter, as I told you, 80, 90 and 100 you can use over this machine. And ejection weight, yes, how much cast weight on this machine is for the aluminum is 11.2 kilogram. Okay, so one of the standout features, one of the standout features is it's a injection weight capability. The LH 800 ton can handle up to 11.2 kg of aluminum, making it suitable for a wide range of application from automotive parts to consumable electronics. Okay, so this machine is equipped with the state of the art PLC control and system ensuring precious and efficient operation. You have the option to choose between the three leading brand of the intelligent computer control system, which is a Mitsubishi and Omron and Siemens. Okay, so these control system provide reliable performance and ease of use, enhancing productivity and reducing downtime. The LH 800 ton is designed with energy saving, environmental production, and high efficient in efficiency in mind. It incorporate components from to international brand like UKN for hydraulic power supply, and SK for bearing, and SMC for cylinder. Okay, so these high quality component ensure the machine runs smoothly, efficiently, and with minimum environmental impact. To further enhance your production line, you can opt for additional equipment. Let's take a look of for the option available. Okay, so electric furnace up to 1000 kg, and it's cost around 8,000 USD. Second is servo ladling machine, which is cost around 6,300 USD. Servo spraying machine, which is cost around 6,600 USD, and servo extracting machine, which is cost around 7,400 USD. So these additional pieces of equipment are designed to automate the streamline your casting process, ensuring high efficiency and productivity. The total cost of LH 800 ton machine and additional equipment is around 1 lakh, yes, 1,34,130 USD. Okay, FOB is a Lingyuan port. Hence, are some important details regarding the purchase and delivery of the uh, this LH 800 ton machine. The cost, as I told you, is around 1,34,130 USD. Okay, FOB Lanyuan port, and payment terms, they offer 30% deposit in advance by TNT and 70% balance before the delivery. So delivery date you can assume 45 days after the deposit. So please note that the product photo parameter and configuration are subject to change due to the continuous technological advancement, ensuring you always get the most advanced and efficient equipment. So Bangbu Longhua reserve the right to make any technical improvement without further notice, which means you are always getting the best possible technology. So thank you for watching. If you are find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For more update on die casting machinery and technology, leave your comment below if you have question or topic you would like to cover next. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead. Keep learning till that. Thank you very much.